how to control diabetes without medicine. Hey, SugarMD is coming at you with a sweet dose of truth. I'm Dr. Ergin, the founder of SugarMDs.com, endocrinologist practicing in Florida. Listen up, folks. You have been searching for a miracle potion to beat diabetes. But guess what? The real magic is locked inside the books. Yeah, seriously. We are talking the kind that doesn't just look pretty on the shelf, but packs a powerful punch of knowledge. So, before you plead with the medicine gods for a miracle, let's get down to a real deal about diabetes. Now, I have seen it with my own eyes. Folks who took the time to get schooled in diabetes turned their lives around. I mean like full 180. My patient David, for example, devoured our free diabetes books, and guess what? His glucose levels dropped faster than my jaw at an all-you-can-eat cheesecake buffet. So, the proof is in the pudding, or should I say in the sugar-free pudding. Now, let me drop some sugary secrets on you. Our books are sweeter than the grandma's apple pie, but without the calories. You don't need to chase after dietitians. Educate yourself from carbs to carb counting. We are dishing out the tasty intel only doctors used to know. The recipes, you name it. The meal plans for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You don't have to worry about what to eat for breakfast, what to eat for lunch. These are insider info, totally free. Look, nobody wants to take meds, right? But if you ain't willing to do a little reading, well, you might just end up reading those lengthy side effects leaflets instead. Don't feed the monster called ignorance. It'll cost you big time. But knowledge, that is free at SugarMDs.com. So what are you waiting for? An invitation written in a chocolate syrup or what? Get your sweet self over to SugarMDs.com and grab your copies of our free diabetes book. You can get free ebooks, you can get free hard copies. With a purchase of another product, you get the shipping for free as well. If you are getting the hard copy of the books, you're only paying for shipping. Yeah, head on there now and let's turn the page to a healthier chapter. And remember, at SugarMDs, we believe that a spoonful of humor helps the knowledge go down in the most delightful way. And now, hold on to your snack hats, folks, because we are about to spice things up with SugarMD's line of supplements. They are the sidekicks to your superhero diet moves and lifestyle groove and the knowledge. Think of our supplements as your dietary dynamic duo, your nutritional wingman. They swoop in when your meal plan is more and give that extra zip and zing to your healthy living billing. With great flavor comes great responsibility. Our supplements aren't there to replace your veggie crunching or your workout punching. No way, Jose. They are here to boost, to enhance, to turbocharge that healthy lifestyle engine you are already revving right now by watching these videos. And don't get me started on the taste. These bad boys are like the jazz hands of supplements. They will make your taste buds tap dance all the way to healthy town. Now, a lot of people cannot swallow capsules. That's fine. Take the ingredients, put into your food, and that's it. You don't have to swallow any capsules. By the way, between us, these supplements have the good stuff. The vitamins, the minerals, antioxidants, anti-diabetic herbs to keep you fighting fit and ready to tackle those pesky sugars like a glucose gladiator. So, let your diet stand tall and let SugarMDs give a little nudge when it needs it. Remember, SugarMDs is your trusty sidekick. These supplements in your epic adventures against that sugar dragon. Now, fly, my wellness warriors. Go conquer your cravings and seize the day. And when you are done being fabulous, breeze by SugarMDs.com to add some supplement sparkle to your victory vault. See you on the healthy side. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.